DNA of a chassid at the Lubablab with Professor Finkelstein. Welcome to the Lubablab. Today we are going to discover the DNA of a chassid. That's a scientific way to say that we are going to find out the ingredients that a chassid is made out of. Look around you. Every person has arms, legs, a mouth, nose, eyes, and ears. We talk and we walk and we eat and we sleep. So what makes chassidim so different? What do we have that makes us so special? Professor Finkelstein has been working for many years to figure out this mystery. In order to figure out the secret to what makes chassidim different, the professor visited many Chabad houses and yeshivas. He had learned many sichos and traveled all over the world to talk to shluchim. Recently, Professor Finkelstein made a big discovery. He found out the formula to the 10 elements, the 10 ingredients that make a chassid. There is one major problem. Each of the 10 elements are written in a special code, and Professor Finkelstein can't decode them by himself. On the special day of Yud Kislev, we must discover what a chassid is made of. Otherwise, how will we know how to be a chassid? So we call today the brightest minds of the generation, the young shluchim, to help Professor Finkelstein crack the code. Can you help us, please? The rules of the game are as follows. Each element will be displayed on the screen, and you will have 30 seconds to figure out the riddle. Write down the answer on the answer sheet that you received by email. If you did not receive the answer sheet, you can write the answers on a regular plain piece of paper. After the rally, you can fax your answers to the shluchim office in order to get your points. When we are done, we will know what the 10 elements that make a chassid. Now we are going to do one of the riddles together as an example. This is the first element. A chassid always has to be blank. Each word is underlined by a blue line. So let's look at the first word. It is a picture of a bee. So the first word is bee. The second is hat minus T. So hat plus the arrow is pointed to the P in the pod, so it's happy. Excellent. A chassid always has to be happy. Are you ready? Good luck. Element number 2. A chassid has. The answer is a chassid has Kabbalah Sol. The answer is a chassid does mitzvahs behidar. Element number 4. A chassid always sees. The answer is a chassid always sees hashgacha pratis. Element number 5, a chassid. The answer is a chassid sped chassidus. The answer is a chassid davens with kavana. Element number 7. A chassid has a The answer is a chassid has a connection with the Rebbe. Element number 8. A chassid. The answer is a chassid learned chassidus. Element number 9. A chassid. The answer is a chassid studies Torah. Element number 10. A chassid has